Hi friends, I'm going to discuss about the water pollution in Karachi. Due to the alarming increase in pollution and also the population and rapid urbanization, drinking water quality is deteriorated day by day, and human health is adversely affected by various agents like pathogens, bacteria, various minerals and organic substances that are present in unsafe drinking water. Fetching water in the prevailing station is a duty that has to be done several times a day. So it's often left to children like Shabina. She says that she is in threshold. She fills her two jerry cans, about 10 gallons in all. They are placed in a wheelbarrow, and her playmates help her to push at home. It is revealed that 91% of Karachi water is unfit to drink. Waste with leaky pipes, faulty treatments, and illegal tapping. The government is unable to provide the safe water to the population of Karachi. A resident of Karachi, Mr. Muhammad Riaz, decided to switch to bottled drinking water. His family can afford the more expensive water bottle, but only if they use it sparingly, because they consider it more safer than the tap water. And the Riaz sister, Asia, who lives with a family next door, says they buy water from a tanker of 45,400 liter every month of 4,000. And when asked to her what was wrong with agency's water, she says that often we found insect crawling in it. Often the water tasted salted or was clouded. Another resident had filed a constitutional petition in the Supreme Court, saying that they are required to ensure the provision of potable water, sanitation and hygienic atmosphere to the people, but they have failed to do so. On hearing the petition in December 2016, the Supreme Court had constituted a judicial commission headed by Justice Muhammad Iqbal to investigate. The commission submitted the report by setting up a 9-member task forces. This 9-member task forces under the senior research officers of Pakistan Council of Research in Water Resources of Management, Muhammad Murtaza, told that they took samples, 460 samples, collecting from all over Sindh, Karachi. 232 were collected from surface water, 179 from groundwater, 46 from reserve osmosis filtration plants, and 3 from mixed resources. The water sample goes for sampling. There, alongside the analysis, said that the 21% samples were found unsafe for drinking due to the turbidity. The overall data showed that 107 samples collected from various places in Karachi were unsafe for drinking water. And the Mr. Yahya, chief chemist, considered the possibility of E. coli, that is the strong bacterium, being present in the water supply. Even if one E. coli bacterium entered the dried up pipeline in a week, it even can cause multiplies into trillions. With the requirement of as much as 1100 million gallons per day for a burgeoning population of 25 million, it is tough to give water to all or supply water in every area. So the water shortage can cause the affected the water quality. So there is the contamination. Yes, the Yahya said that and laid part blame on the resident that they steal the water.